So I'm gonna show you real quick how to replace a nylon string on your classical guitar. I'm gonna replace this 6th string, that's the E string, and I'm also gonna show you what strings I use. I've been using these Pro-Arté D'Addario strings. You'll see it says normal tension there. Can you see all that? So let's get going. All right, there's a close-up. You can see how it's wound through. I've taken it off the other end. I'm gonna push this through. There we go. See this? I'm gonna unwrap this here. And there we go. All right, now that's clear. And I want you to be able to see right there, there's a hole. You're gonna be threading it through, and on the other side, right there. So we're gonna thread through like this. It's the first thing we're gonna do. And you're gonna pull out enough extra here that we can wrap it around. I'm gonna teach you how to do this. So you're gonna wrap it around. And you're gonna go like this. I'm gonna get a little extra. I'm gonna go like this. And I'm gonna thread it back through and go under this loop, like this. So there you go, that's the first loop, you see that? Now, I'm gonna go over and under again. There you go, and that is what it's gonna look like. Now, you see it's not taut. You see how there's still a little space. It's not as taut as these. Well, the tension of the guitar is gonna get this. So this is a good starting point. You're gonna keep this taut. Now I'm gonna show you how to thread it through the other way. So we've got this hooked around. Now, the tension of putting it up here is going to keep it taut. So I'm gonna put my finger right here. There's a little notch. Let's see if you can see that. See that little notch right there? I'm gonna put the string in that notch. There we go. Now, I'm gonna thread it through. You're gonna thread it through the same way the others are threaded through. In this case, I have mine all threaded through the top. So, there's a little hole right there. I've got the hole on the top. So I'm gonna thread it through. There we go, and I'm gonna pull it down. Now, I can start winding it to make it tighter. I'm gonna wind away. You can also do a string winder for this, but I don't have a lot of excess string, so I'm just gonna do it nice and slow, but you can use a string winder. And now I'm gonna show you a little trick here. As I wind, I want to catch the string, this part of the string right here, underneath this. So I'm gonna pull this down just a little bit, and now I'm gonna wind it. Because I'm wanting this string, the tension of this string, to put pressure on that string. There we go. Can you see that? Now, we've got that wound across. We pulled this up. We made it through the notch. We loaded it from the top. We tuned it away from us, which makes it higher pitched. And as it's going around, we're making sure that the string pushes up against where the other string feeds through so that it keeps it nice and tight. So you don't have to clip this right away. Just make sure this is sitting where it needs to be, that it's not slipping, that everything's fine, because you can always take it off and redo it. And then once your string's in and it's proven itself for you, you can clip off the extra. Also, remember, when you put on a new string, it's gonna stretch a lot. So you're gonna have to tune that newer string a lot more than the older strings, unless you just replace all of them at once, and then you're gonna be tuning all of them a lot. But that's just how it goes. So remember, down in the description section below, I'll put a link for these D'Addario strings. I have no deal with D'Addario. I bought those with my own money off of Amazon, and I'll put a link down there. I am an Amazon affiliate, and at no extra charge to you. If you buy them, I get a small commission. It's just one way I support this channel. I greatly appreciate it. Also, make sure to check out the review I did of the Yamaha C40 Mark II. It's a good guitar. It's the newer one. The older one is out of circulation, but the newer one is great. I'll put a review right there. And as always, remember to click right there to subscribe and hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you get notifications when I come out with new content. As always, thank you for your time. God bless. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.